the end of the day, Bharat Biotech will be known not just for delivering a vaccine in times of Made in India, but also for the fact that an Indian company has done something which only 5 other companies or 7 other companies in the world have done in the same time, right? And that's a tremendous boost for R&D in pharma. Meat of healthcare is R&D and innovation in actual healthcare delivery, which takes the form of either new pharmaceuticals and drugs, or new equipment which doctors can use, or new protocols that they can use, right? Or new diagnostic tools that they can use to disease to do better. So Cure.ai or Aniramai are good examples today. Minvax, I don't know if people have heard of it. It's an Indian, very less known vaccine company. Those didn't exist 5 years, 7 years, 10 years back. I think the positive side is that 5, 7, 10 years back, they would have had zero takers for getting investment. It's starting, it's a trickle. But I think with, like I said, the COVID change last year, a lot of people are more accepting of Indian companies and what they can do. We might say whatever we want, but at the end of the day, Bharat Biotech will be known not just for delivering a vaccine in times of Made in India, but also for the fact that an Indian company has done something which only 5 other companies or 7 other companies in the world have done in the same time, right? And that's a tremendous boost for R&D in pharmaceuticals, right? It might be vaccine, it might not be as complicated to making a drug for diabetes or heart disease, but those things have happened because of the pandemic. And this trends which a lot of people will follow going forward. So I'm hoping that the innovation will move from these quote unquote peripheral, though very important areas, to the heart of things, which is pharmaceutical R&D, more innovation in diagnostics and its applications, and healthcare delivery and protocol, right? And we are seeing signs of that even before the pandemic, but I feel that that will increase going forward. Somebody also mentioned that a lot of doctors and healthcare professionals are entering this one. So these are all components of an ecosystem that needs to come together. And I think we are probably going to see that at least in the next decade, if not in the next 5 years for sure.